Hello children, today I am going to teach you one more shading like a basic colors. Okay, first of all children, I will tell you take a poster colors. Okay, poster colors of 12 set and the different sizes of round brush. You can take one or two flat brush, but more than you can take round brushes. Okay, and for round brushes you can take like 6, 4 and 8 and 12 number. This 4 brushes you can take. Okay, so now the basic step what you have to do, see, with the help of scale, pencil, eraser, you have to make a square. Square means like square, after that littly like wait, see, like this. First square I made it. Okay, but children see carefully, this gap between this line and this line are equal, then this and this. Okay, this gap is equal to the same all the fourth side. Okay, so like this you have to make 9 boxes. 9 means like this is will be count 1 and from here it will be count 2, 3, like equal distance. If you are giving this equal, so here also equal. So 9, like this 9 square you have to make it. Okay, inside also, see, like this you have to make small, bigger. So 9 is there. Okay, so 4 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 from in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this 4 from out, 4 from in, you have to leave it. And the 5th number that you have to do red poster color. Okay, red poster color directly without any mixing of any color in this you take direct in your brush and apply in the 5th column of square. Okay, in the 5th column. See children, I taken the color in the brush. Now with the help of water I am spreading the color. Don't waste your color as much. Okay, see, now in my brush it's very less color. So what I am doing, I am literally dipping in the water. Okay, then I am taking the red color and again I am doing it. Why I am taking water? Because water is helping to spread the color, and in this color will be utilized very less. Okay, so don't waste your colors, do it properly. See children, I done the red color. Now one more question few children will be asked me, ma'am, which poster colors we can use, which company poster colors we can use. So see children, there are 3 companies in the poster colors. There are Camlin, Faber-Castell and DOMS. Okay, I am using Camlin. Okay, so you can also use Camlin. Why I am telling Camlin? Because 3 of this brand having the same rate. Okay, so in future in our school is going to organize the Camlin competition of like any kind of competition. So they are telling to use the Camlin product. Okay, so if you are going to buy now, so buy Camlin products. It will be help you in the future while like participating in the competitions and all. If you can't able to buy the Camlin, you can go for the Faber-Castell and DOMS. Okay, it's not like compulsory that you have to buy the Camlin only. Okay, I told you 3 brands are there, Camlin, Faber-Castell and DOMS. Okay, I will prefer you to buy Camlin. I told you the reason why I am telling that. If you are not able to get, you can buy Faber-Castell and DOMS. Okay, now you have to add on in it white and black color, and color palette also you have to take. Okay, now inside this, in this red we will mix black color. Okay, outside of it in red we will mix white color. So we will see how many shades are there of red. Red is the color that we will make shade with the black and shade with the whites. Okay, so let's do it. Now see children, in the first number of box I done black, pure black, nothing mixing and all, I done it. Okay, now you have to take the color palette. And one more children I am telling you, see, this is the basic thing I am telling, this is the knowledge. always do it inside first, then go for the outside. Why? If you will do outside na, so your hand is going to touch down, okay, and the thing is going to be dirty with your help of hand. So always do from the inside, then go for the outer part, that your hand is not going to touch the sheet and it will be not going to look ugly. Okay, this is the point for doing the painting and all. Okay, now see, I taken the palette, I taken red in the two sides. First we will mix it with the black. Okay, little black you have to take and you have to mix it. See, now this color is similar to this color, so we will do here. You can able to see the difference, the black, original black color and mix it with the red. Okay, now here little more red we will include in this. Okay, here more red we will include in this. Okay, so here the tones will be the darker tone and here the tones will be the lighter tone. Okay, see children, you can able to see black, then little more red I include in this black. This color came, now more red I include, this color came, then more red I include, this color came, and this one original red. Okay, now again I taken in the separate space, I taken red color. Now I am going to add white, little white in this. See children, now this brush is full of red. I can't dip it again into the white color. So I am taking the fresh brush. See, this is my fresh brush. First I am washing with the water, then I am making dry with the waistcloth, and then little I am taking the white and I am putting here. That this brush should be not touched to red color. Okay, now with this I'm going to mix it. Now you can see, maybe in the phone it is not visible, so while you will do now, you will see the difference. Okay, it is literally white is there, like a lighter tone from the upper side. See children, I done it. This is the main red and adding little white on it, and in the end I done the white color. You can see the paper and the white color difference. Okay, so this is the color. See, original red color. Okay, this color, dark colors are known as warm color. Why warm color? We are seeing them now, so we are feeling like a warm. Okay, you have seen in the winters we are wearing the dark color clothes. Why we are wearing? Due to we will get the heat and all. Okay, in the summers we are wearing light colors. Why light color? We will feel cool. So our moods also depending in our colors that we are wearing. So our eyes also depending in that. So whichever the dark color is there, that is warm color. Okay, and this whatever will be the light color, they will call a cool color. Okay, so this you can use any shape. I use the square. You can use triangle, circle. Okay, any shape you can use in it, and any color you can use it. Any color means dark color. Dark blue you can use, dark green you can use, orange you can use. Okay, brown you can use. Okay, black also you can use. Black means for from here you can use light. Okay, this is the main black you have done. So while mixing white you can use that. Okay, black having, we can make it more dark in the black, so you can do that. White you can use. Okay, so children, do it from the starting itself. Previous class I teach you the color chart cycle also. Mostly children have done it, And children, one more thing, after completing it, send the picture to your class teacher and make a video, like a small video, what you understand by my artwork, okay, that I teached you, what you understand, what you learn, what you your views you can tell in the video, and you can send to the class teacher or to me. You having my number also, you can send me in the WhatsApp. Okay children, hope you like it. Thank you.